Integrating Phantom Wallet with Ledger or other hardware wallets for Solana is a straightforward process that enhances the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. To begin, ensure you have a Phantom Wallet account and a Ledger or other compatible hardware wallet device. First, download and install the Solana app on your Ledger device using the Ledger Live application. This app enables your Ledger device to interact with the Solana network. Once installed, open the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser and click on the Settings icon. Select the Connect Wallet option and choose Ledger from the list of available options. Next, select the Solana network and choose your Ledger device from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to open the Solana app on your Ledger device and review the connection request. Confirm the request on your Ledger device to establish the connection between Phantom Wallet and your hardware wallet. After connecting your Ledger device to Phantom Wallet, you can manage your Solana accounts and transactions directly from the Phantom Wallet interface. When sending or receiving Solana tokens, Phantom Wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction on your Ledger device, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. Best practices for integrating Phantom Wallet with Ledger or other hardware wallets include keeping your Ledger device and Phantom Wallet up to date with the latest software and firmware updates. Regularly reviewing your transaction history and account balances is also essential for maintaining the security and integrity of your Solana holdings. In conclusion, integrating Phantom Wallet with Ledger or other hardware wallets for Solana is a simple and effective way to enhance the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. By following these steps and adhering to best practices, you can ensure the safe and secure management of your Solana accounts and transactions.